Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video I wanted to show you this, my friends, this box of Huggies that we got. These are Huggies wipes, baby wipes, and it's a 4-in-1. It cleans, hydrates, soothes, and also nourishes. And yeah, this is the first time I've ever seen a dark skinned baby on a box of wipes. So I'm just loving this box, and I'm very happy to see nice smiling baby on it. When my children were younger, I didn't really use Huggies because I didn't really like their diapers. I always used Pampers, but I find Huggies has kind of stepped it up to be inclusive, and you know, kind of hopefully be using babies from diverse backgrounds, and I am loving it. So good for Huggies. Yeah, so we bought these at Walmart for 19.99. Has cocoa and shea butter, and cocoa and shea butter is good for our skin, and they're plant-based wipes. I don't have a baby in the house, but the wipes are used for multi-purposes. I usually keep a box of wipes in my car to clean my hands after I've touched anything. It has become a part of my COVID prevention, I guess, routine. Yeah, so as I said, I also use it in the washroom as well. I do use it to clean my makeup, and yeah, and just little spills here and there. And as I said, the cocoa butter in there also helps to keep my hand hydrated. And this is, as I said, it's 4-in-1, and but you have 6 of these containers in the box, and it's 336 sheets of wipes. So this is what it looks like, my friends. And what I like about Huggies wipes, it's just a matter of pressing the button and it flies open. So it's easy. You can use your one hand to do this if you have a baby in one hand, and then you need to use the wipe. It's a great idea to just, as I said, press the button and it flies open. So this is why I love this easy open. Yeah, so I really like these. 19.99 at Walmart. I love it. And you get 6 cases of wipes. Not that Huggy was my favorite when my young girls were younger, but I've always used Pampers. But I think the diapers and the wipes have gotten better over the years, and because they have now infused with cocoa and shea butter, I am loving it. So here it is. I just wanted to show you guys this because I got excited and I went out. I got the box of wipes. You guys probably think, huh, what the hell? But yeah, and I don't know if it's a limited box because of Black History Month. I am not quite sure about that, but I'm excited to have it. So I also use this in the washroom, as I said, but I don't flush it in the toilet, right? It's just a nice little clean wipe when you're done, and I keep it in the car, clean off my makeup. So it's just a good idea to buy this box. So this is what I use to for multi-purpose uses, and that's it. Huggies, you're doing good. There we go. Thank you for watching, my friends. Go ahead, say it. This is my time and I deserve something better. Thank you.